Okay guys, good afternoon everyone. I'm about to make a video I titled Do It Yourself. So this video is apparently for Karma app, for the newbies and for those that are finding it difficult to create their profile after having their US account. Now, as a matter of fact, the Karma app is very new and is still having some daily or let's say weekly upgrade depending on the mass adoption and the upcoming features that the app needed. So I'll be making a practical video on how you could easily create your profile without having any issue. Okay, first and foremost, I have to start by explaining some features you need to know. First, depends on your locality where you are trying to access the blockchain from. We all have different service provider, which is called ISP, and in Nigeria here we have our major MTN, Glo and Airtel, and the three network providers also have 4G network. So I recommend everybody to be on a 4G network, so to have a fast speed that will enable you to access the blockchain as soon as possible. Now, if you don't have a strong network, you may not be able to enjoy the internet facility or the blockchain space. Secondly, I will always recommend everyone to go to the Play Store and go down to your installed app and upgrade. For those that have the app already, I always recommend you upgrade. When you upgrade, it enables you to be on the most current version of the release, or you go to Telegram and ask for a source for a fast upgrade. Secondly, the app use data, and normally every app that uses data have what we call cache clean. So you always have to clean up your cache. After cleaning up your cache, so you could be in a safer side. So I will switch into the practical aspects of what I'm trying to explain so you could understand it better. So guys, welcome back. Let me continue from where I stopped. So I'm using a phone because for now the app doesn't have a web version. It's only Mac and Android version of its application. So you first of all start by putting up your mobile data on. Once you put your mobile data on, that means your phone is well connected. Secondly, first thing you need to do whenever the app is giving you issue is to go to your settings, click on your settings, you scroll down depending on your app features, but you always see it on apps. You click on apps, it will load. This will enable your phone display the certain applications you have on your phones. You scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down until you get to where the Karma app is. It's being shown alphabetically. Now you click on the app. Now you will see on store and first stop. First and foremost, you have to go to store. That will show you that so far, as you can see, I have 42.1 MB cache data. All you need to do is to click on clear cache. Once you do that, it has turned down to 0. Now, this will enable your phone to work fast with the application on it. Now, you go through the first entry and you click on Karma app. You have your applications showing you already for those of us that have installed it already. And if you are finding it difficult to access or to refresh your page, the first thing you need to do is go to your browser. When you get to your browser, you definitely click on EOS Charge. Is already there already. EOSCharge.io. This website enables you to have or check the certain CPU or RAM that you have. I will always use my account I'll always use my account. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have 100% CPU, 100% net. Now, I'm good to go. But assuming you don't have up to 100, or you are less than 50, you are meant to go and get some amount of CPU or RAM. How do you do that? You use EOS token to stake as your CPU, or you use Karma to stake as your CPU, depending the one you could do fast. Okay, now let's go back to it. Once you are sure that your CPU and your internet and you are on a current version of the app, the first thing you need to do sometimes, I recommend you go to settings on your wallet. You log out. Yes, you log out completely. Logging out is like you are pulling out from the app. Now, you go back to where you copy out a private key, you paste it. Don't click on this green button, forget key. Don't click on it. Automatically, it will log you and synchronize. As simple as that, you have your application back to function. Assuming you do these steps and you're not yet getting what you want, this is when you will call the admins from the Telegram. But as long as you can do these 5 steps, believe me, you'll get back to the app, no matter the slow or the upgrade going on in the background. But as long as the upgrade is being done and you have done your part, believe me, you will get to the peak. Thank you very much. I still remain Jerry Jackson, the Karma ambassador from Nigeria. Thank you.